All right, so now you can greet people, introduce yourself, and even start conversations in Brazilian Portuguese. But wait, what if you want to talk about your everyday life? Like what you do from morning to night? Well, today you're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine, or in Portuguese, Rotina Diária. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the morning. In Portuguese, you say de manhã, which means in the morning. Now, what do you usually do? You can say eu me levanto, which is I get up. Eu tomo banho, I take a shower. Eu tomo café da manhã, I have breakfast. Eu escovo os dentes, I brush my teeth. Nice, you're already describing your morning routine. Now, what about after that? You can say, eu vou ao trabalho, which is, I go to work, or eu vou para a escola, which is, I go to school. Boom, morning complete. Now let's move to the afternoon. In Portuguese, à tarde, which means in the afternoon. You can say, eu almoço, which is, I have lunch. Eu volto ao trabalho, which is, I go back to work. Simple and useful, right? Now, what about the evening? In Portuguese, à noite, which means in the evening. Here are some common things you can say. Eu vou para a academia, which is, I go to the gym. Eu janto, which is, I have dinner. Eu lavo a louça, which is, I wash the dishes. Eu assisto à TV, which is, I watch TV. Eu leio livro, which is, I read a book. Eu vou para a cama, which is, I go to bed. Nice! Now you can talk about your whole day in Portuguese. Now to talk about the weekend. In Portuguese you say no fim de semana, which means on the weekend. You can say eu vou para o parque, which is, I go to the park. Eu vou ao cinema, which is, I go to the movies. Eu jogo futebol, which is, I play football. See, now you can describe your daily routine from morning to night, all in Brazilian Portuguese. Go ahead and practice saying, eu me levanto, eu almoço, eu janto. You're building real conversations already. Before you go, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big like. Because next time someone asks about your day, you won't panic. You'll describe your rotina diária like a pro. Agora é com você. Se inscreve no canal, deixa o seu like e vem aprender comigo. Rápido antes que eu pergunte o que você faz de manhã para todo mundo.